Today we are going to create your very own online store in Woocommerce with Cloudways. It's the best hosting provider that I know. They provide super fast hosting and a 3-day trial. You don't be charged if you are in the trial. So you can try and create your own very own website for free. And if you like it, you can keep the hosting. Right over here, we're gonna get our promo code. Use the promo code Jared to get 30% off of your package. You can start for just $11 a month with your 3 days free trial. We are logging into the Cloudways dashboard. So right over here, we can install WordPress and create our very own website. I'm really excited to show you it because we are going to install WordPress. So first, we need to set up a free server. Call this whatever you want. Call this your project. And new tutorial, and call this your new project name. Recommend to choose whatever you want. I suggest 2 gig at least for your WordPress website. You can also start with 1 gig. So, but I prefer 1 or 2. And we only have to pay $11. But now you have your 3 days free trial, so you won't be charged for anything. So right over here, select your bandwidth, your server size, click on OK, and once you have the server size, it's adding your server video and get back. So right over here are your login details for your WordPress site. So call this whatever you want. For example, easy login, for example, or whatever you want. To insert and click confirm. So I also highly recommend the password manager to don't forget your passwords. Links in the description. And right over here, we are updating the master password. So the master password for your login. So right over here, we are going to click on new tutorial and click on back. Click on the tutorial and add application. In the application, and WordPress is done in on the server, and I don't know why, just a little mistake. So right over here, I'm gonna click on WordPress site and I'm gonna navigate to the admin panel. So right over here are your details, your username and your password, and you will be redirected to your dashboard. So then you have your site nearly live. Click on the link and there it is. There you have your very own WordPress website. So it's looking pretty empty and pretty ugly. We all know that. So let's go to the dashboard and change those things. Now we're gonna build our WooCommerce store. Click on appearance, click on themes, click on add theme. Right over here, we're gonna search for the Astra theme. And this theme is a standard layout, so we can implement our template kit. We can use the page builder Elementor. It's a really good page builder. They got millions of installs and it's just free. And you can also try the pro version. So right over here, I'm gonna activate this. And now we're gonna install the starter kit. So what starter kits are? Starter kits are just templates that you need to import. So the new theme is activated. Okay, like this is looking ugly, but we're gonna import some good stuff. Right over here, click on dashboard, and now we are going to navigate to appearance, themes. Over here, we are going to create menus. And when you create menus, we are going to go to appearance, menus. Menus are pages. So right over here, we are going to create our menu name. For example, menu 1. Select it as primary menu. Click on create menu. save menu, and that's it. So now we create our pages. If you want to create pages, you can do it over here and menus. So you don't need any knowledge for this. So right over here, we're gonna call it, for example, blog, and we are going to add some other stuff. So right over here, we have just set our menus, and we're gonna show the website. So it's showing up right over here, and right over there, and there. So right over here. Okay, and right over here we can create our starter template kits. So I'm going to click on Explore Templates, and I will click on Classic Starter Templates because I prefer that. And we're going to install the Elementor Page Builder. Link is in the description to try it for free. So right over here, you got beautiful themes, and we gonna create our e-commerce store in minutes. Okay, you got a lot of templates right over here. I'm gonna choose the nice one, the best one, and navigating to clothing store. I prefer to take the blue one because I like the color blue. I don't know why. Okay, right over here, and we are just all set. So click on this template. I will show you the other templates. You can also choose a premium template. This is from the Astra team. So your starter templates. And we can import them in one click. So that's beautiful. So you can create your very own website, your e-commerce store. You're up and running in minutes, and won't cost you nearly anything. If you're gonna go to a web development company, they will charge you at least $1,000, and this is much cheaper. So I would like to help you people. So right over here, we're gonna set up our name, import our content, and let's build a website. If we are building the website, we will create our very own website. And let's look how it looks. Visit your website. Okay, that's looking amazing in my opinion. We have just created our website in minutes. So we have just set it up our e-commerce store, and you can earn money right now with your own products. You see this beautiful site. If you go to a company and you will say build an e-commerce store for me, they will charge you a lot of money. So Elementor is a really good option, and CloudWiz is also a really good option for this, because you start for like $11 a month, and then you have your fully own website. Right over here, you have the header builder and kind of stuff, and you have the colors. And we can choose whatever you want, so you can replace the logo right over here. So right over here, you change your header. You can change whatever you want. It's just drag and drop. And we can continue with creating our website. You can also create your website with EI, but I prefer to do it with the regular way. We will load Elementor. Links in the description. Try it for free. Go to elementor.com and try Elementor for free. And right over here, we have our text. So it's just drag and drop. So right over here. Now I want to go to unsplash.com, a really cool site where you get thousands of images for free. So right over here, we are going to type online store. And right over here, we can search for whatever you want for your store. So I'm gonna search for a skate image because I like skate stuff, skate clothing and kind of stuff. So I'm gonna go to you. I'm gonna search here for a skate or for clothing store to show you first. Okay, here are beautiful images, but I prefer to use other images. So right over here, we are going to the skate shop. And I really like those images because they're really professional and it's just free. So, okay, no, not this one. You can use this one, but you can prefer, what do you prefer? Now I'm gonna go to the top. Let's take this one. Yep. I'll download it for free, but you must have the text of the person in it, the credits. So I'll download to my PC. And I will insert it right over here. Upload files. It's nearly done with downloading. So it's uploaded. And we will wait until it's loaded. So let's take a look how it looks. Okay, it is looking really professional, or online clothing store, or online skate shop. So right over here, and it's just free. I can't imagine this is just free to create. You only need to pay for the hosting. So right over here is your web shop. So we are up and running, and right over here we're gonna show you how you add products, Woocommerce, home, get to products in your dashboard, and you can select the products. You can select right over here the images and kind of stuff, like the image of the shoes, and you can change it to whatever you want. You can also edit it with the page builder, links in the description. Really amazing in my opinion, and you can change the images like I showed you. You can adjust the text and kind of stuff, so it's really cool. And we are up and running in no time. If you want to master WordPress, I got a course for you. So right over here you can change those kind of things. So right over here. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, because I put an effort in to create those free tutorials, and I will see you in my other tutorials. Let's see what we have just created. Go back to the dashboard, I mean to the website, and right over here, it's looking amazing. In just less than 15 minutes, we have just created your own e-commerce store. So you see how easy it is? Maybe not in the beginning, but it will be easier and easier. And thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.